Okay, so in this short video, I just want to show you how to get information from one sheet to another. For instance, we're going to look at the total budget, which is adding together the cost of all the 4 sheets or 4 tabs we have together. For instance, the candy is about $170, and if I look here, that's where we get the information from, this cell. If I change the value to 2, for instance, the cell here changes and changes here as well. So let's look how we do that. If we look closely at the formula bar, we notice we have the equals, right? That's the important part to start the equation formula. We have the tab name with an exclamation mark and the cell name. Okay, but instead of typing out, let's go ahead and look at an easier way to do this. I'm going to press my equals to start the equation or formula. I'm actually going to click on food and drinks, the tab down here, and then this is kind of a reminder of what we're doing, and I'm just going to get the cell, right, the total cost of this page, the food and drinks, and I press enter or return, and it brings you back to this page and it takes the information. So that's how you use or get data from one sheet onto another.